Hi everyone, this is my handmade air conditioner. Right here is where the fan where the air goes in, and then this right here is where the air comes out. You will put frozen milk jug or a bag of ice inside for the cool air. And I bought a $5. It's a small fan. It has a USB and it has the regular cord that goes to it. So if you want to use it in your like home, or if you want to use it in a car, so I my car air conditioner went out, and it was so hot. I had to fix it. And it cost me hundreds of dollars, and then it went right back out. I mean, I had parts, not just for parts and stuff put on it, and it went right back out. I was like, I am not buying another one. I'm just gonna wait till I buy a new car. But I decided to use this. It's scorching hot outside, so I went ahead and made an air conditioner box for the car. It has a USB, so I could take that out in USB. And you can use it in your cigarette lighter, a USB thing, or you can buy one of those boxes that you can, the charge boxes that you can put USB in that runs like electricity, or you charge your phones or run small electrical things too. So what I did is that I bought a little fan, which is like $5 or so. That's the fan right here with the USB. It might cost 10. I think I bought on sale for $5. You can even get one of those fans that run by batteries, which that's a fan that run by battery. It's a milk jug. I filled it up with ice, with water, and froze it. So when I put it inside, it's going to have cold air. It's going to blow on the ice, and the air going to go in here. It's going to come out here. And I'll show you what I put in there. Since this is a storage container, I got some styrofoam to put inside the styrofoam container to help keep the cool air in. So there you can see the styrofoam containers. I'm going to put the ice in there, or I'm going to use the ice jugs in there. You can use bags of ice and put it in there also. And on top is the air thing. Now, why I got it like this, so you could turn it is way, and I have it where you could go up or you can go down, to guide the air of where you want it to go. And now the fan right here, I'm going to plug it up so you can see. So as you see, I plugged it up. The fan is running here, and it's going to hit the ice that's inside, and the cool air is going to come out of here. I'm going to show you, see the tissue blowing, but see how it does work, and it's working pretty good. Good flow of air coming out of there. And you can use it for, the home and the car, because my air conditioner ain't working. That Freon just ain't working either. I put all this Freon in there, and it's just not working. So it's really hot, so I'm putting it in the car and put the ice and stuff in it. So you can use it for your room. Sometimes some rooms, the air conditioner don't really get them cold. And, like when you have like central air or something, and you need a little extra. So you can also put this in the room. Even if you have no air conditioner, you could make a box, which would help. I'm pretty sure it'd help a little bit. Now I put the holes in it because I'm gonna put these things in there to hold it up. These things right here, I'm gonna put it through there to hold it up so it won't go all the way through. So, but what happened? I cut spaces inside here. As you can see, I cut the little holes and slits so that I could put this down in there, so that I could pull it up. I could pull it up, pull it back, turn this way, turn that way, to guide the air to where you want it. So, but I'm putting the pipe cleaners up under there to hold it, to keep it from falling all the way through. And you put pipe cleaners something on the side of here to hold that down, or you can leave it open so you could lift it up or change fan, whenever you want. So there it is, the fan, the ice jug, and homemade air conditioner box made from a storage container with styrofoam in the inside of it. So I hope this was helpful. This is nothing new. They have been made before, but I just made mine from a storage container and put styrofoam in there to help keep the cool in, so the ice won't melt so fast. So I hope you all like and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.